Hello everyone, welcome to the session. And today's session is very interesting because we are going to discuss one of the important key topic, that is a recent outage which happened today about Microsoft outage, right? So why this is very important? Because we all are like talking about the network, we all are talking about the security, and we always connected with the Microsoft product, and these products are basically very popular in all over globes. So being a network security professionals or engineers, we should know what exactly happened and what is going on in the market, and why there is a lot of cures available across the globe. Flights are getting canceled, people are like getting mass in the hospitals, like the trading sectors are affected. A lot of the stock exchange has been like affected due to that. So many organization enterprise company also get affected, like PCs are not getting up because of this particular outage. So we just have to know that. So there's two things we just have to understand. One is about the Microsoft, that is one company, because we all know that what is a Microsoft and what is the product of the Microsoft. Like every laptop having the Microsoft Teams, we have the Microsoft Office, and if those products are not going to work, then how basically you are going to do any kind of the work. So the same thing happened today, and entire system was having some error, and that error was known as the very important, that is a BSOD. What is a BSOD? That is the blue screen, like blue screen of death. So that's why we've taken the blue screen as well. So let me show you how it is exactly going to look like. So if I just go on the Google, and if I go here, and if I just type BSOD, so it is going to give such kind of the, like you can see this is the image. So once you have the any kind of the laptop or desktop which have the Microsoft product installed, once you are going to start your PC or might be reboot your PC, you're just going to get this kind of the images. You can see just 7 hour ago, 8 hour ago it was happened, because today morning and we are in the evening. So when I'm just recording this video, so that was happen. And why it was happened, that is the most interesting thing. This error was happened because due to the latest CrowdStrike attack. That is not correct word, not attack. That is the update or changes. So we already being the network or security engineer, we do some kind of network changes. So CrowdStrike also makes some changes. So what is a CrowdStrike? First, you have to understand. So basically, Microsoft having the very good partnership with the CrowdStrike. It's a very famous organization that is available in US, and they have the very good global presence. So the CrowdStrike is a leading cybersecurity company, and basically it's specialized in the endpoint protection. So what is the endpoint protection? Like you have the PC, you have the any kind of the servers, you have the mobile phones, any endpoint tablets. So that user are going to use to just do any kind of the work, being the in office or being the home when you're doing any professional work. So that is the cloud assist to just protect those kind of the devices. The Cloud Strike is a leader in the market based in the US, and this company was founded in 2011 by the George Kurtz. That is the actual founder of this company, and this is quite popular. But what happened today morning? They have done some changes in the security portfolio. That is the latest update. Some people are also making the numerous. It happened due to some kind of cyber attack, and one of the biggest cyber attacks. But this is not confirmed news till now, so we can just think about this was happened due to the, as per the official update, due to the changes. But still this has been not fully recovered. Still the workaround has been applied, but they are just working for the just restore this particular issue. So the CrowdStrike is the endpoint cyber security company, and they're specialized to just secure the infrastructure to just any kind of the malicious and any kind of the malware protections, any kind of the attacks, and digital your asset to be leak. So this is going to be productive. The mission of and vision of this company is just stop the breach of any your digital asset, and providing the superior protection and delivering instant insight into the cyber threats. So that means they are claiming, or basically it having such kind of the capability, this product having like Zscaler and this CrowdStrike and other vendors are also available in endpoint security. They're claiming they have the capability to just catch the threats in 0-day attack. So anything is going to happen in malicious in a network, they are going to catch and they are going to kill, or they also going to provide the remediation plan. So that's their vision, to redefine the security for the cloud era and also for the platform which are the any kind of the enterprise network. And also they are very committed to provide the endpoint security, threat intelligence, and proactive threat hunting. So what is the proactive threat hunting? That means real time zero day attack. So in the cloud threats, if I talk about the cloud, a little bit about the insights and information which we just discussed, an incident that was happened today. So this is basically endpoint security we are discussing. And in this endpoint security, this company having a lot of product. So this company having a lot of product. Likewise, let me just write some kind of the product here. So this company having the product, the first product is Falcon, Falcon and point production. So this is a one product. So what is this product is going to do? So let me write another product. That is another product is the Falcon X, and third product is the Falcon Overwatch. So these are the three popular product. Sorry, I make the spelling wrong. So these are the three products. Basically, it was developed by the CrowdStrike. So let me write here CrowdStrike products. Okay, so these are the three products. So what is a that's Falcon endpoint protection? So this is the first, or you can say one of the popular product, that is the that also known as the flagship product, providing the next generation antivirus. So basically, if you want to just do the any kind of the antivirus protection, if you want to do any kind of the endpoint detection, so antivirus EDR, that is an endpoint detection and response, and manage threat hunting in a single platform. So basically, if your laptop having any kind of the virus, any kind of the endpoint detection, like any malicious things are going to be happen, they are going to do that. And also they keep hunting anything happening abnormal in your laptop, and they're going to fix, and they're going to provide the remediation plan, or they're going to generate the alerts. So this is the first product for the endpoint. Then the next product is the Falcon X. This is the automated threat intelligence solution. So you can just think about, we have something in a cloud, or might be the automation environment, who having the threat intelligence solution that is going to accelerate your investigation and response time. You just think about the kind of the sandbox. So this is going to automatically monitor whatever the transition is going to happen for your system, whatever the file you are going to upload, download, these all are going to be covered by this particular Falcon X, and they're going to provide the real-time threat analysis, and they're going to also provide some kind of solution for the zero day attack. So this is the sandbox, you can think about it. So I'm just talking in a short so you can understand about the products. And the third one is the Falcon Overwatch. So what is the Falcon Overwatch? So this is the managed threat hunting service that proactively search for the threat in the stop breaches. So it's again kind of the Falcon X, but just it is just related to the proactively, it is going to search the threats and stop the data breach if anything is going to happen. So entirely they all three products are going to be available for the endpoint security in a different format. So basically endpoint protection, basically antivirus and EDR, that is a one thing. And if you want to just do the real-time research about the threats, and you want to breach their data, and you want to do the zero day like the analysis, then probably you have to use these two products. So this is about the CrowdStrike. So this CrowdStrike having the very good partnership, this CrowdStrike having the very good partnership with the Microsoft, and due to this partnership, the CrowdStrike is just managing all the Microsoft products which is available in the globally for the endpoint solution. And they have made some changes. It's still not declared what changes they have made, but yes, they have made some changes, and due to that this outage was happened. So the root cause of the outage was that has been traced till now, that the changes has been done in the cybersecurity company by the cybersecurity CrowdStrike, and due to that this has been triggered and the all system was affected. So I hope that has been clear to everyone. And this Microsoft basically experienced the outage, that is not only the endpoint which are in the physical world, that also in the Outlook, Teams, Azure environment. So all region where the Microsoft having the full kind of the flagship program and the revenue and the customer, that all are going to be impacted. Okay, and that was that there is a huge loss. All right, so let me show you something. So if I just open one of the tweet from the very let me go here. I just open this tweet. Let me show you something. So this tweet was this is actually CEO and the founder of this company, George. So he is talking. CrowdStrike is actively working with the customer impacted by the defect found in the single content update in the window host. So he's just simply mentioning like they are working. Mac and Linux hosts are not impacted. Only impacted hosts are the window. So if you have the Mac and Linux, still you was safe. This is not a security incident or a cyber attack. So he's clarifying that this is not a cyber security incident or cyber attack. This is kind of the, we can say, could be the just how can I say, what would be the appropriate word. So he might be trying to defend there is no cyber attack, because if he is going to claim there is cyber attack, and being a cyber security company, if you are not going to be safe, then how you are going to promise other company product it is going to be safe? So you just think about this. I am the security professional and I just deployed in my house, and I'm available, but still someone enter in my home and do some kind of the unauthorized things, like they have just done the thefts. So that security personnel never going to accept it was happen and I was available. So he might be find some excuses. Similarly, this George is trying to put this is not a cyber attack. So he's just trying to make some branding so that people will not think negative about this CrowdStrike. But this might be true, this might not be true, because if you're going search in the social media, I just went through multiple journals, I went through multiple news channels, international, national. Many people are talking about this is the cyber attack, but he is not talking about cyber attack, and he is talking the issue has been identified, isolated, and fix has been deployed. So probably the fix has been deployed. This is the latest one, and it was happened 3 p.m. today. We refer customer to support portal. That support portal for the latest update will be the continue by the complete and the continuous update on our website. We further recommend organization ensure they are communicating with the CrowdStrike representative through the official channel. Our team is fully mobilized to ensure the security and stability CrowdStrike customers. So somehow he is trying to put in a strong position, where he is just confirming that was happened due to the changes, not a cyber attack, but that could be the investigation which is going to reveal after some time, because multiple things happen in the past as well in the similar kind of the stuff. So he's talking, see, he was just talking about the, was the Falcon agent update not tested on the window machine prior to the being pushed to the worldwide? So see, that's why I just talk about the products. So I mentioned about there are multiple products. So you can see Falcon products. So Falcon endpoint production, this is the product which has been pushed to the multiple, but might be he's just pushing due to not tested prior pushing to the real-time production environment, and it is the cause for this particular outage. So he is like Hari is, he's talking about that. So if you go and just talk about the lot of discussion happening on the tweet, CrowdStrike broke our your business today, but please remember, you are the problem, not us. We won't provide any helpful information here, remember. So he's just trying a lot of things here. But if you go and find in some latest news as well, latest article, so there are a lot of articles are available in the social media platform or the news portal platform in India and across the world. They are talking about the CrowdStrike, and they are having a lot of problem across the world. Airlines, banking services, and exchange, that is a Sansec and other kind of the trading exchange, has been completely disrupted by this particular outage. And the full story about this Microsoft outage, how the service came into the standstill worldwide, right? And when it get back, that kind of the title, you are going to find that. But now, as per the CEO of the company, he confirmed that that has been resolved. But yes, this was the region that we just discussed about, that the main concept is what was happen is the BSOD, that is the blue screen of the death. So that was error happen, and this was happened due to the Falcon endpoint deployment was happen across the globe, and he is talking might be not tested, and that was the region the entire machine was get affected, but now it has been recovered. So let me show you some other things, so probably you can just find and search a little bit about that. So if I go and just in Reddit, I just try to find something. So if you just go here, let me just copy this link. So here is, you can see a lot of searches here. So many window 10 machine blue screen struck. So if you just open, you're just going to find a lot of news. You can see again here the BSOD blue screen of death. So you just go and read about this. So they are talking about, you can see here, they are talking about wondering if anyone else is seeing this. We suddenly had 2040 machine across our network blue screen almost simultaneously edited. This is like they are talking about something. And CrowdStrike, you can see CrowdStrike BSOD, that the blue screen of death due to the CrowdStrike. I got two separate organization in the Australia experiencing this. This was happened. The workaround step they also provided how you can fix it. Workaround means a temporary solution. The permanent solution might be applied later, but they are talking about the workaround solution as well. Boot window in the safe mode or window recovery environment, navigate to this particular folder, you can see CrowdStrike directory, and locate this particular file and delete it. So if you're going to do that, your issue is going to be fixed, and boot host normally. This was the workaround. If you have the issue, you can just try and you can use that. So yes, just had the 160 server all are BSOD, so that server also got impacted. This is not going to be fun evening. So he is talking about like he is in trouble, and seriously, being the network and security engineer, and if you have such kind of incident, also I'm laughing, but that's a very painful for us. So we should very in difficult situation. So we lost over the 960 instances in the data center, you can see, and work essentially across the globe lost. The recovery of the staff work essentially going to be insane. He's talking now, all the called CrowdStrike. So they all are talking about the CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike put in their tech bulletin behind the support login. So basically nobody can see. Call them this CrowdStrike and delete the post. So whatever the workaround, seeing the US at 9 p.m. So if you see that in the Google, and let me show you a little bit about one of the famous YouTuber video, one of the video as well. So a little bit you can just go and research about it. That this is like the first tech person who launched this particular update. What was happen? So even you can just watch that. So he's talking about this BSD CrowdStrike. He's going to talk about what was happen due to this CrowdStrike. So let me show a little bit. If I go here, so he is just talking about how the machine, you can see the real-time airport situation. You can see how it is happening. So there is like the lot of people are on the airports, and these people are trying to book some kind of tickets. All is screen in blue. You can see all is screen on the blue. So how you going to get the boarding pass? How the tickets is going to be like available? So this is all you can think about, and people are talking about a lot of things about this particular issues. So main region we got it right. So this is the Falcon product, which is the endpoint security that were designed by the CrowdStrike, and due to that particular push, we are suspecting that was not properly tested, and due to that, the entire global, I can say, Microsoft PC has been impacted. To just fix it, we have the workaround solution to delete the temporary sys files, which is available, which I showed earlier, or they just provided some update, and after providing that update, it has been fixed. So I hope this content is useful for you, and thanks for watching this. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.